Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss the top 15 trading methods and techniques. In today's video, we will take a closer look at some of the most effective strategies used by successful traders. The first method we will discuss is trend following, which involves identifying and trading in the direction of a well-established trend. Another popular technique is breakout trading, where traders look for price breakouts above resistance or below support levels. Range trading is the next method, which involves buying at support and selling at resistance levels within a defined price range. Moving average crossover is a simple yet effective strategy that involves using two or more moving averages to identify trend reversals. We also have the momentum trading technique, where traders look for stocks with strong upward or downward momentum. Swing trading is another method, which involves holding positions for a few days to take advantage of short-term price movements. Scalping is a high-frequency trading method where traders aim to profit from small price fluctuations throughout the day. The next technique we will explore is mean reversion, which involves betting that prices will eventually move back to their average. Another popular trading method is pattern trading, where traders spot and trade specific chart patterns like triangles or head and shoulders. Additionally, some traders use fundamental analysis to make trading decisions based on economic and financial indicators. Technical analysis is also widely used, which involves studying price charts and indicators to predict future price movements. Day trading is a popular method where traders buy and sell financial instruments within the same trading day. Pairs trading is another technique, which involves buying one stock while simultaneously selling a related stock to profit from price divergences. Trailing stops is a risk management technique where traders adjust their stop-loss level as the price moves in their favor. And finally, position trading is a long-term strategy where traders hold positions for weeks or even months. These are just a few of the many trading methods and techniques that traders use to profit from financial markets. Remember that finding the right method for you may require some experimentation and practice. Stay tuned for more content on trading strategies and techniques, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.